Service procedures are not suggestions. The step-by-step service procedures for a timing belt were developed for two reasons. First, the steps were developed to replicate how the timing belt was installed at the factory. Second, the procedures are developed to help technicians do the job in the least time possible. Sure, you might be able to replace the belt without the service information, but are you sure the tension is correct? Are the bolts torqued to the correct specification? Did you line up the correct timing marks? You will never know if you don't follow the service procedures. Our timing belt kits will include the timing belt replacement procedures. For example, here is Continental Timing Belt Kit TB257K2. Inside the box are two sets of service procedures. This guide covers the 1MZ-FE Toyota V6 found in the Lexus ES300 and Toyota Highlander. The second set of service procedures covers the 3MZ-FE found in later Highlander, Camry, Sienna, and Lexus models. For the 1MZ-FE, the procedures start with removing the right front wheel and ends with how to check the timing marks. The instructions include the correct procedures to activate the auto tensioner. For the 3MZ-FE, there are additional steps covering the removal of engine mounts and the alternator bracket for specific models. The real bombshell is the timing marks on the crankshafts are different for the 1MZ-FE and 3MZ-FE. Also included in the box is a list of water pump installation recommendations. The recommendations include cleaning the mounting surface and addressing corrosion inside the pump cavity. This sheet also stresses the importance of removing all coolant from the block, radiator, and flushing the entire system before the new pump is installed. Even if you have done many timing belts on Toyota V6s and have a photographic memory, you still need the service procedures. By having these, you can avoid making mistakes that could cost you time and possible damage to the engine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.